Hi guys, today let's see a shape problem. So the shape problem is, here the top view of the walking park as shown with measurements. The walking path inside the park is 2 meters width as shown. The park owner wants to put a fence around the grass. What is the length of the fence needed? To find the length of the fence needed, we have to add these, right? So yeah, let's find the middle part, all of this first. So if this is 60 meters, this would be 60 meters too, right? Okay, so if this is 5 meters and this is the same, that would be 5 meters too. So okay, now we don't have to count this, we just have to find the middle. If 60 minus 10 equals 50, and then there's the width is 2 meters, right? So it's minus 2 meters, that's 48, and minus 2 meters is 46. So the path's length, the length of this is 46. And this and that is the same size, so this is 46 too. Okay, now let's find the length of the outside. First, if this is 5 meters and this is 5 meters, this would be 5 meters too, right? And this would be 5 meters too. Okay, so let's find the outside. So 46, and this would be 46 too, right? No, it isn't, because we have to add 2 and 2. So 46 plus 2 is 48, plus 2 is 50, and we have to minus this because you have to go in, right? So that would be 48. All of this is 48. And then if this is 48, this would be 48 too. It's the same length. So this is 48. Now we have to find this length, and this length, and this length, and this length. Okay, to find that length, 100 meters, right? This would be 100 meters too. No, not like literally 100 meters, but like, yeah, like that. And we have to minus 5 meters and 5 meters. That would be 90 meters. And this, the path's length, we have to go in, right? So we have to minus 2. So 90 minus 2 is 88. All of this is 88. If this is 88, this is 88 too, because it's the same length. Okay, now we have to find the inside length. So this is 88, you just have to minus 2 and 2, and that's it. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 88 minus 4 is 84, so this is 84. And this is 84 too. Now, let's add all of this. We have to add the 100 meters and 60 meters too, of course. So first, let's add the 5s. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 5s. 8 times 5 is 40. So 40 plus, so let's cross them out because we already did that. Okay, now let's do the 48s. There's 2 48s, so 48 plus 48 equals 96. Now let's cross those out. And then let's do 88 plus 88. There's 2, right? So 88 plus 88 equals 176. And then let's cross those out. Let's do, there's 284, so 84 plus 84 equals 168. Plus, we still have the 46s. So 46 times 4 equals 184. So we have to add the one outside too, right? So 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus, and 60 plus 60 is 120. So plus 120. Now let's add all of this together. 0 plus 6 is 6. Plus 6 is 12. Plus 8 equals 20. Plus 4, 24. And 0 plus 0. 24 plus 0 is 24. Plus 0 is 24. So that's 4 and 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Plus 6 equals 6. Plus 9 equals 15. Plus 7 equals 22. Plus 6 equals 28. Plus 8 equals 36. Plus 0 equals 36. Plus 2 equals 38. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Plus 1 equals 5. Plus 1 equals 6. Plus 2, 8. Plus 1 equals 9. So 9, the answer is I need 984 meters of fence to put it all around the park. So 984 meters is the answer. Let's see more videos like this and like to this video.